buong bansa. Bulacan, isang libo at isang buwan. Buong bansa, buong bansa. Bulacan.
Broadcasting live from the King Studios, Television and Production Exponents Incorporated proudly presents the Grand Finals of Super Serena!
I'm your fantasy, your very own living, breathing fantasy. You created me. I'm the one you dream about at night when you can't fall asleep. Fantasy. Yeah, that's me. I am the diva. You better roll out the red carpet. 'Cause here I come. I'm a diva from head to toe, and it's getting better every day. I don't cook, I don't wash dishes, and I do not do windows, 'cause I'm a diva. I like shopping, I hate going to the grocery store, I hate washing clothes, I like painting my nails. It excites me. You have to work to get this good. Me. I am the diva. Stand online and kiss my hands. You better watch out, 'cause here I come. I'm telling you, I am a diva from the big city. That's right. And I like it that way. You know what else I like? I like credit cards. But just not any old credit cards. I mean, gold. You know what they say? If you have to ask the price, you can't afford it. And I never look at the prices. Yeah. I also like what I don't get to do. That's the truth, either. That's me. I am the diva. You better roll out the red carpet. 'Cause here I come. Get up and let me sit down. These high heels are killing me. Diva. Here I come. Look at this girl. Girl, don't even try. You have to do better than that. Puts on her new cartouche pants. Looks at her ass and thinks she's got a chance. So maybe if you're lucky, one day you'll end up like me. That's right, a diva from head to toe. You have to work to get this good. You better squeeze your ass into them pants, girl.
Finalists of Super Serena! Wami! Woohoo!
Talaga naman!
Beautiful!
Wow! Wow!
Ngayon, magsalita kayo. Sinungaling ang hindi mag-aayon sa akin na mas magaganda tong dihamak.
Kesa?
Mas maganda! Glamoroso! Glamorous! That's the word.
Beautiful and glamorous.
Ayun na. Kung ako lang paano wala.
Saka sa amin-
Dapat yung iba, takpan na lang ng kalendaryo. Ganun yan. Okay.
Alien!
Mga kaibigan, isang magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Super saya at super ganda ang tanghalian natin ngayon dahil sa Super Serena. At hindi lang yan. Nais namin kayong i-welcome dito sa Grand Finals of the most exciting search for exceptional individuals of legal age who are out to show their unique talents and incomparable wit. Yun.
Super din ang ating hapon ngayon dahil bukod sa magsasama-sama at magpapabonggaan ang ating mga sirenas, makakapiling din natin sina Ina Raimundo,
Aba?
Diva Jean Barcada at marami pa.
At hindi lang yan, super din ang araw na to dahil sa double celebration
Ba?
nina Ruby and Christy!
Yes!
Happy birthday!
At alamin naman natin mamaya kay Ruby kung sino sa mga taga Santa Cruz, Laguna ang maswerte nating winners para sa isang Tide Bar ka lang challenge. Woo! Yan! Sa Vente Reales, Valenzuela naman, napadpad ang Itbulaga para pagandahin ang buhay ng ilan nating mga kababayan mula sa Sunsets. Buhay mo'y paganda ng paganda.
Well,
Kasali ka ba? Kasali ka?
Well, so many prizes, also
prizes?
prizes. May prizes.
siyempre.
Ganda mami ha. At surprises. But the most important question of the day is, who will be our Super Serena? That's what we will find out today.
Alright, pero sir, isa pa lang meron ng award kagad.
Ayan.
siyempre.
We are going to award right now among our finalists, 11 finalists, the best in gown to receive 3,000 pesos. Our winner for best in gown
Hey.
is
Sino ba sa tingin niyo?
finalist number 2, Patricia Montecarlo, Michelle Van Iberen.
Wow! Look at that! Congratulations! Congratulations!
Congratulations. Ang ganda mo. Okay. Ang ganda na lahat. Yung pinakamatinding grupo ng magaganda, mga kaibigan.
Simula pa
Kaya
lang.
dyan lang kayo at hindi tayo kakasya rito.
Yes.
For more of Eat Bulaga.
Don't go away! We'll be back! Woo!
Alright! Siguradong super excited na kayong malaman kung sino ang ating Super 7.
Mga kaibigan, hawak na namin. Actually, hindi pa. Hawakan na natin. O yan, hinawakan na ho namin ang resulta, mga kaibigan. Pero bago namin i-announce yan, narito muna ang mga highlights kahapon sa pre-finals ng Super Serena. Ito, exciting to. Panoorin muna natin nangyari kahapon. Aber.
11 exceptional individuals made a big splash when they impressed everybody with their talent and looks in the pre-finals of Super Serena. A select panel of judges was given the difficult task to choose the Super 7 who will compete in today's grand finals. The members of the board of judges were Director par excellence, Bert De Leon, Beauty Queen and Eat Bulaga host, Christine Florendo, Go Bingo host and talented comedian and singer, Arnel Ignacio. Star builder, Aster Amoyo. Brilliant actor and stage director, Bernardo. All of the 11 Super Serena candidates gave their brilliant answers in question and answer portion.
Para po sa akin, talagang mahalaga po ang dignidad dahil ito po ay yung para po sa akin, ito po yung ugaling kahit sino man hindi po mananakaw. Kung ako po ay magiging isang representative sa Congress, ang batas po na aking ipatutupad para sa kapakanan ng mga taong nabibilang sa third sex ay ang batas na nauukol tungkol sa employment. Nagiging issue po ang sexualidad at hindi po ang kanilang competence at ang kanilang galing.
Definitely, I am in favor of the death penalty.
death penalty. Punishing a person by killing, or it's not a matter of revenge, but it is a matter of justice. Justice that should be implemented in our country. For I've always believed that justice delayed is justice denied. That's all. Thank you.
Well, I think that would be the education that I have attained. Having finished my high school education, and now that I'm taking up my college education, I'm trying to pursue with that education, and that I think would be the greatest achievement that I would have in my life.
Bukod po sa itsura, sa tingin ko po ugali, katawan, at saka pananamit. Kasi po, makikita po natin sa kanyang damit, ang kanyang ugali, ang kanyang katawan.
Ang masasabi ko lang po na pwede kong ibigay sa kanila, na pwede kong magawa, ay ang entertaining ko sila pag pumunta sila rito. Then, actually, I can speak how many language do I know? I think 4 languages. I think I can do that.
If I would be considered to be a scientist, for me, the only thing that I wanted to invent is a machine wherein you have to go inside it, and when you go out, you are a male, you will understand the third sex belonging to the lesbian and to the homosexual.
Maging law-abiding na lang po ako, yun lang po ang may bigay ko sa amin.
Hindi nila alam na napaka-importante ng salitang respeto sa isang tao. Maraming tao ngayon dito, maganda sila at matalino, ngunit wala silang respeto sa sarili nila.
If all these problems will be resolved through the elimination of graft and corruption, I would definitely believe that our country will prosper and will be a fully industrialized country in the coming of the new millennium.
Maraming trials na hindi na iresolba ng mga tao noon. So gusto kong ma-feeling yon para pagdating ng future, maka-achieve ako sa dapat kong mai-achieve sa future. Thank you.
And now, here are our Super Serena finalists for the announcement of Super 7.
It's really remarkable that we were able to find these exceptional individuals.
Totoo ka. Ito na ngayon, mga kaibigan, yung 7 na mapapasama sa Grand Finals ng ating Super Serena 98. Umpisahan mo na, Kiko.
Okay.
Pintahan na natin. Okay.
Grand Finalist number 1.
Ito ay walang particular order.
Hindi pa si number 1. Sorry. Walang order to, ha. Ang ibig niya sabihin yung una. Yung unang pasok sa Super 7.
Oh, ganun, ha?
Okay, I'm sorry. Grand Finalist number 3, Michelle De La Cruz. Michelle Aldana.
Okay. Kita mo naman. Ang titindi niyan. Yung sumunod na mapapasama sa Grand Finals ay si Yari Dayanara Torres, Sandy May, Monte Carlo. Yan, pintahan natin.
Okay, ang third natin sa ating Super 7 for the Grand Finals. Grand Finalist number 2, Michelle Van Imeren, Patricia Monte Carlo.
Tatlo na. Okay. Bukas na ho namin na-announce yung iba. Kaya huwag kayong aalis sa kinakatayuan nyo. Okay. Ang sumunod na pumasok sa Grand Finals natin, sa Super 7, ay Grand Finalist number Torres ulit. Number 4, Jairon Pereira, Lucy Torres. Tatlo pa?
Oo, tatlo pa.
Tatlo pa. Okay.
Eto, matindi to. Our 5th to make it to the Super 7 Grand Finalist number 11, Samuel Dodson, Tetsi Agbayani.
Dalawa na lang, mga darling. Dalawa na lang. Ang sumunod na kasama sa Super 7 ay Miss Mickey Ferrios, Benny Mariano. Mickey Ferrios. Ayan na, Kiko. Ikaw na yan. Bahala dyan.
At ang pinakahuli, to complete the Super 7 of our Super Serenas, Grand Finalist number. Tinitignan ko yung mga mukha nila, kinakabahan. Number 5, Bernadette Allison, Yan Bautista.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Super 7. And we would like to thank the rest of the girls. At maraming salamat.
You're all beautiful, talented, and exceptional individuals. Congratulations.
Yan, for being part of the show, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po tayo with the grandest finals of the Super Serena 1998.
Okay, sa pagpili ng pinakamagaling, isang magaling din ang kailangan kumilatis. Pagpipili ka ng magaling, kailangan magaling din ang mga kikilatis.
Okay. Hindi. Taga kabila yan. Tuntua kayo sa ganun.
Okay. Ang una natin, Judge, our first judge is one of our more articulate hosts and respected talent managers from Star Talk. Please welcome Mr. Boy Abunda.
Thank you, Boy. Here's one lady whose super looks made her the 1992 Binibining Pilipinas Universe. Ladies and gentlemen, join us in welcoming the former news program anchor and print admiral, Lisa Beroya.
Ang ating third judge ay isang super writer na naniniwala sa kakayahan ng mga Super Serena na inilahad niya sa libro niyang Ladlad, one literary landmark in Philippine literature. Recently, he collaborated with the country's best writers para mabuo ang obra maestra ng GMA Films, Jose Rizal. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Manila Times columnist with an X Factor, prolific writer and Ateneo Professor Danton Remoto.
Kalaban mo to sa pagiging crush ng bayan, pare. Okay. Mga contender to, mga kaibigan. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Meron lang mga problema dito.
Nanonood mga bata mo.
Okay, mga kaibigan, ito po siya. Mula umaga, gumaganda na ang umaga nyo dahil sa kanya at paglinggo pa sa S-Files, nakakasama niyo siya, kasama ni Linching. Ladies and gentlemen, isa sa mga crush ng bayan, nakalaban ni Vic, si Paolo Bedjones.
At super din ang ating last judge dahil siya ay supermodel. Kaya iniidolo siya ng mga Super Serena. She is indeed a super personality. Siya lang yata ang modelo sa Pilipinas na actress na beauty titleist pa, producer at mami pa. Dami, no? Ladies and gentlemen, the super beautiful Melanie Marquez.
Thank you, judges. And now let's meet our first batch of finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are with a dance focus.
Oye, venga, Suecia nos da música buenísima. Oye, venga, Suecia nos da música buenísima. Música buenísima. Música buenísima. Música buenísima.
Super Serena number 2, Michelle Van Eimeren ng Caloocan City, singing 100% Pure Love. Here's Patricia Montecarlo.
Don't close your eyes, you're so that polite, and I'll be by your side. I've come to take you there and show you how to care. Just be aware that you have to share. I want your love, I want your night. I'm taking you along, don't want you fight. I'll be your answer, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy, your favorite dish. Then back to the rhythm, get around again. I'm gonna be there till the end, 100% pure love. Then back to the rhythm, get around again. I'm gonna be there till the end, 100% pure love.
Super Serena number 3 from Fairview, Kansas City, lookalike ni Michelle Aldana. Dancing to Last Thing on My Mind, here's Michelle de la Cruz.
And now it's Super Serena number 4, Stern. She's from Pandacan, Manila, the lookalike of Lucy Torres. She will dance to the tune of Together Again. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back Jairon Pereira, Lucy Torres.
Buenísima, música buenísima. Oye, venga, Suecia nos da música buenísima, música buenísima.
Huli!
Thank you. Tatlo pa lang yan.
Ha?
Michelle, si Michelle, dalawang Michelle, at si Lucy. Okay, mga kaibigan, yung apat ay makikilala pa natin sa pagbabalik ng Grand Finals ng ating Super Serena 98. Hasta la vista.
Huli!
Welcome back, everybody, and now we're ready to present to you our second batch of finalists for Super Serena.
Our fourth finalist from Pateros, Metro Manila, Bernadette Allison lookalike. Ayan, today naman sasayaw siya ng dance entitled Whistle. Let's all welcome Yanyan Bautista.
Bernadette Allison. And now here's our fifth finalist, Super Serena number 6 from San Pedro, Laguna. Siya ang lookalike ni Dayanara Torres, here to dance and sing for us. Last thing on my mind, please welcome Sandime Monte Carlo.